Hi Professor, this is our final phase, phase 3 for our physics project final. My name is Maria Ramirez. Here we have Hugo.
Hello, Professor.
And then we have the cameraman as Gabriel. So
Hi,
let's
Professor.
start with a basic introduction. Here we have circular motion, where the ball will be placed on top, going around and around and around and causing the ball to hit. At the beginning, there is potential energy released into kinetic energy. And when the two balls hit, it will be demonstrated as elastic collision and energy is transferred. Then we have linear motion. And once the balls hit together, as I said before, with energy transferring, that enough energy will cause the ball to move with a velocity that is constant. Then we have a projectile motion. The projectile motion, the ball will fall by gravitational force because of the mass and weight will cause the bucket to go down and the other weight to pull up, causing this ball to hit down. There is tension in the string when there's a lot of weight. And that tension of the string will create passive power, which will cause the ball to move down. And now we're going to move on with Gabriel's introduction.
All right, Professor. So at this point of our project, so we'll see how the football ball will go down the ramp and hit the golf ball, generating a repetition of movements towards the book. This will generate kinetic, potential, and elastic collision towards the book, making the last golf ball to have enough force to hit the book, and the book will hit the switch of the fan. So we keep moving all the way here. This will be a fluid motion. So once the fans turn on, it will generate a volume of air towards the Ferris wheel, and my friend Hugo will explain further now.
Over here, the Ferris wheel will make a circular motion, which is going to transfer the energy into a string that is attached to the center, and it will create tension. That tension will release a trigger that is attached to the base that is holding the soap. And now we're going to move into what's happening with the project.
So we shall get in our positions.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
And here is our completed project. Thank you so much.